Okay, so we were discussing about logarithmic differentiation in the last classes. So we'll do one or two questions of that type, and then we'll move to the next topic. So the question is to find dy by dx. Say what is given is y to the power x is equal to x to the power y. It is given as y to the power x is equal to x to the power y. So question is to find dy by dx. So we can take logarithm on both sides. So logarithm of y to the power x is equal to logarithm of x to the power y, and logarithm of a power is power into logarithm of the base. So power is x into logarithm of y is equal to y into logarithm of x. Now implicit differentiation, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So left side is the product of two functions. So you have to apply the product rule. So derivative of first into, so the derivative x is 1 into second, that is log y, plus first into derivative of second, log y, derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, again right side again it's the product of two functions. So derivative of first into second, that is log x, plus first into derivative of second, log x ka derivative 1 by x. So now we have to collect all the terms containing dy by dx on one side. So the left side there is one term, right side there is one term. So we'll keep it on one side. So it is x by y dy by dx, or you can take dy by dx common. So dy by dx common, so x by y, and this dy by dx into log x left side mein aayega, it is minus log x is equal to y by x is already there in the right side, and take that log y to the right side, it is minus log y. Or from cross multiplying, or dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y by x minus log y divided by x by y minus log x. Answer ho gaya. If you want, you can simplify a little more. It is y minus x log y divided by x, the whole divided by x minus y log x divided by y. In other words, this x will goes to the denominator, and this y denominator ka denominator mein, that will go to the numerator. So it will become y by x into y minus x log y divided by x minus y log x. That's the answer. Can you hear me? Subodh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. We'll do one more question. So this logarithm difference is same pattern only. Take the logarithm on both sides. Then differentiate, apply the properties of logarithm. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Implicit differentiation step. Then collect all the terms containing dy by dx on one side, and then from there you can find dy by dx. Next type is parametric differentiation. another method. So in physics, you have seen projectile motion and all those things. So sometimes that times what it is given as x is a function of time or any other variable, and y is a another function of time. So जो टाइम के हिसाब से फंक्शन का पोजीशन x कॉमा y, वैसे projectile motions you have seen that. So x is expressed in another variable t, y is expressed in the same variable t. So that means x and y are expressed in a third variable t. So these kind of forms are known as parametric forms. Parametric form. So in this case, how to find dy by dx? So for finding dy by dx, it is like this. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, or we can write like this: dy by dx divided by, sorry, dy, one second, dy by dx is equal to dy by dy by dt into dy by dt divided by what? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is the formula to find dy by dx when the function is given in parametric form. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we'll do one example so we'll understand. X is equal to 280 square, y is equal to a t to the power 4. So here you can see that both x and y, it is given in terms of another variable t. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So you have to find dy by dt. Y is equal to a t to the power 4. A is constant. So a into derivative of t to the power 4 is 4t cube, because we are differentiating with respect to t. That means 4a t cube. Dx by dt is equal to 2a is constant, t square derivative is 2t. That means 2 into 2, 4at. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 4a t cube divided by dx by dt is 4at. So 4a cancel हो जाएगा, t cube by t, this is equal to t square. So and here you can note one thing. Dy by dx you will always get in terms of parameter. You will get the answer in terms of parameter only. बाकी जो अभी तक हमने जो किया उसमें से when you find dy by dx you got the answer in terms of x and y only. But here in parametric form, when you find the derivative you will get in terms of the parameter. Here you can see the derivative dy by dx is equal to t square. So you will get the answer in terms of parameter only. We'll see another question. X is equal to A cos theta, Y is equal to B cos theta. So here you can see both X and Y are given in terms of theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So for that we need dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So dy by d theta, the derivative of y with respect to theta. So b is constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. So it is minus b sine theta. Dx by d theta. A is constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. It is minus a sine theta. So now different here dy by d theta, that is minus b sine theta divided by minus a sine theta. Sine theta cancel हो जाएगा, minus by minus it's positive, it is b by a. That's the answer. Now x is equal to a into theta minus sine theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So we need to find dy by d theta and dx by d theta separately. So dy by d theta, which is equal to a is constant and a into 1 plus cos theta derivative. 1 derivative is 0 plus cos theta derivative is minus sine theta. So it is minus a sine theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a constant bracket derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 minus derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So it is now coming back to the thing dy by d theta, that is minus a sine theta divided by dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta. So which is equal to minus sine theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So answer is over, we finished the answer, but we can simplify that. So you know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Last year हमने discuss किया था ये. So from here, this is double angle formula. Half angle formula is we just need to make the angle half. 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So you can write this as minus sine theta का जगह 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta के लिए आप cos 2 theta के लिए different expressions पढ़ाई किया था. cos 2 theta के लिए cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So these are some of the double angle formulas we have seen for cos 2 theta. So if you use the second result, you will get like this: cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So उसमें से आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if you make the angle half, 1 plus cos theta, it is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So these are some important substitution. In many problems, you have to substitute this one, 1 plus cos theta के जगह 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, sin theta के जगह 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 substitute कर सकते हैं. वैसे if you use the third result, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. उसमें से आपको मिलेगा 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So if you make the angle half, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So these three are very important substitutions in many problems. Sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So here 1 minus cos theta के जगह आप 2 sin square theta by 2 लिख सकते हैं. So 2 कट हो जाएगा, 2 कट हो जाएगा, एक sin theta by 2 कट हो जाएगा. So remaining minus cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2, that is cotangent theta by 2. This is an important question. So this substitution, especially इसमें से जो substitution है sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. These three substitutions are very important. In many questions, you have to substitute this. So it is very useful substitution. And आप इतना तक लिखेंगे तो भी कोई problem नहीं. Minus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, the answer is there. But for simplification or writing it as a single term, this will be more useful. And after some time you will study second derivative. Second derivative मतलब derivative of derivative. First derivative का derivative. So that time, even in parametric form, if you want to find the second derivative of this, so if you do only up to here, again you have to use the quotient rule. So उससे अच्छा है कि इधर है तो अभी minus cot theta by 2. So there is no need of quotient rule and all those things. You can directly do that. So that is the use of that for simplifying. ठीक है. So we'll do another question. X is equal to sin cube t divided by under root cos 2t. Y is equal to cos cube t divided by under root cos 2t. So you can see that functions x and with the variables x and y are given in terms of t. So it is in parametric form. So we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we have to find both separately. So dx by dt. So you can see that this is quotient form. So you have to apply the quotient rule. Quotient rule is denominator into, so denominator under root cos 2t, denominator into derivative of numerator. So we are differentiating with respect to t. Derivative is sin cube t. It is of the form x cube. So it is 3 sin square t, क्योंकि x cube का derivative 3x square. But x के जगह sin t था, sin t का derivative से multiply करना into cos t. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into, numerator is sin cube t into derivative of denominator. So denominator में root x form. Root x का derivative 1 by 2 root x. So it is 1 by 2 root cos 2t. बट x के जगह cos 2t था, so उसका डेरिवेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करना. डेरिवेटिव cos x इज माइनस साइन x, so it is माइनस साइन 2t. स्टिल x के जगह 2t था, उसका डेरिवेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करना, so into 2 the whole divided by denominator square. So cos 2t का अंडर रूट cos 2t का स्क्वायर, it is cos 2t. So here this 2 and this 2 will cancel. In the numerator, you can multiply with under root cos 2t on both sides. So it will become, this is equals 3 sine square t is already there. 3 sine square t cos t is already there. Then under root cos 2t से multiply करेंगे तो under root into under root चला जाएगा. It is cos 2t minus into minus प्लस हो जाएगा. इधर एक माइनस है, इधर एक माइनस है, प्लस हो जाएगा. So plus sine cube t into sine 2t, the whole divided by that under root, the whole divided by under root cos 2t, that will goes to the denominator. So it will be like this, cos 2t into under root cos 2t. So it is cos 2t to the power 1, cos 2t to the power 1 by 2. So it will be cos 2t to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So dy by dx by dt हो गया. Now you have to find dy by dt. So same, denominator into, so under root cos 2t into derivative of numerator, cos cube t numerator, it is of the x cube. So it is 3 cos square t into cos t का derivative minus sin t. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into, that is cos cube t into derivative of denominator. So अभी देखा cos root t का derivative 1 by 2 root cos 2t into x के जगह cos 2t था, उसका derivative minus sin 2t into 2t का derivative 2, the whole divided by denominator का square. So cos 2t का square, under root cos 2t का square, that is cos 2t. So here also when you can see that this 2 will be cancelled. You can multiply with under root cos 2t on both sides on numerator. So it will become minus is there, 3 cos square t sin t into cos 2t minus into minus plus हो जाएगा, cos cube t into sin 2t, the whole divided by under root cos 2t denominator में जाएगा. Same logic we applied ऊपर, it is cos 2t to the power 3 by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to क्या हो गया, कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Unmute your mic and you can ask. जिन्होंने रेड मार्क से कुछ सर्कल किया, जो डाउट है पूछ सकते हैं. Okay. So substituting here dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So you can see that दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर cos 2t to the power 3 by 2 है, वो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो बाकी डिनोमिनेटर, बाकी जो चीज़ वैसे ही आएगा. सो dy by dx इज इक्वल टू, सो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 3 sin square t cos t cos 2t. द डिनोमिनेटर में dy by dt का, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. 1 second. It will be like this, minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t plus cos cube t sin 2t, that will comes in the numerator, dy by dt. उसका जो डिनोमिनेटर एंड dx by dt का डिनोमिनेटर, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बाकी वैसे ही आएगा. सो 3 sin square t cos 2t plus sin cube t sin 2t, that is dy by dx. Okay. So now x is equal to a, another question, cos t plus log tan t by 2. Y is equal to a sin t. You have to find dy by dx. So it is in parametric form. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So you have to find separately dy by dt is equal to, a is constant, sin t का derivative cos t, dx by dt, which is equal to, a is constant, it is outside, so constant into a function derivative is constant into derivative of that function. Now inside sum of two functions, derivative of a sum is the sum of the derivatives. Cos t का derivative minus sin t plus, सबसे पहले it is log x form. Log x का derivative 1 by x, you have to apply the chain rule. Log x का derivative 1 by x, so it is 1 by tan t by 2. बट x का जगह tan t by 2 था, उसका डेरिवेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करना. tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x, so its डेरिवेटिव is sec square t by 2. अगेन x के जगह t by 2 था, उसका डेरिवेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करना. so it is 1 by 2 into derivative of t, that is 1. So which is equal to a into minus sin t can be written as 1 second, minus sin t plus 1 by tan t by 2. Tan t by 2 is sine divided by cos. So it is cos t by 2 divided by sine t by 2 into sec square can be written as 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. तो एक cos कट हो जाएगा. So what you're getting is a into minus sine t plus 1 divided by 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2. So which is equal to a into minus sine t plus 1 by 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is sine theta only. So this is sine t. So which is equal to a into minus sine square t plus 1 divided by sine t. So which is equal to a into 1 minus sine square t is cos square t divided by sine t. Then substituting back here, this is dy by dt is equal to a cos square t divided by sine t divided by a cos divided by a dx by dt is एक second.
एक्सचेंज हो गया.
dy by dt is equal to a cos t divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to a cos square t divided by sine t. So instead of division, we can multiply with the reciprocal. So a cos t into sine t by a cos square t. So ये cancel हो जाएगा, एक cos cancel हो जाएगा. So sin t by cos t, the answer is tan t. So that's all about parametric differentiation. So in the coming class, in the next class, we'll discuss the next topic, the second order derivative. So second order derivative is nothing but it is the derivative of the derivative. So I'm going to clear this. We'll just begin that thing. Second order derivative that means derivative of derivative d by dx of dy by dx. Derivative ka derivative, that is known as second order derivative. So it is written as d square y by dx square. ऐसे लिखते हैं. Or we can write like this, y dash है तो first order derivative था, so y double dash ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. नहीं तो हम f dash x लिखते हैं डेरिवेटिव सिंगल डेरिवेटिव. सो सेकंड ऑर्डर है तो f डबल डैश आएगा. और हम ऐसे भी लिखते थे d dash x डेरिवेटिव फर्स्ट ऑर्डर है, सेकंड ऑर्डर है तो 2 dash आएगा d2 dash. और इवन इफ यू राइट लाइक दिस d2 x चलेगा. सो एक सिंपल एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल देखो y इज इक्वल टू x to the power 4. So y dash first derivative. So either a small d2 y बोलते हैं. So derivative, first derivative is 4x cube. Second derivative मतलब उसका derivative 4 into 3x square, that is 12x square. And if you want to find the third derivative, that means second derivative का derivative. So 12 into 2x, 24x. Like that, process will continue. Fourth derivative, so it is 24. And here you can see that if you find the fifth derivative, the value become 0. So like this, that's all. Second derivative मतलब first derivative